My name is Beverly. I, in 2016, was diagnosed with uterine cancer and had a hysterectomy after that. The oncologist was afraid that the lymph nodes were positive, so they were enlarged at the time, so he removed many of them. And he did it to save my life. He thought he was doing the right thing. But end result was, because he removed so many, my lymphatic system failed on my right side. So now I have lymphedema of my right leg. Through talking with other people, I got a therapist, name of a therapist, who works with cancer patients and lymphedema patients. I can only give the greatest amount of accolades to my therapist. Very well trained. I had no idea what to expect, what to do, and what she did is she told me about the pump. I don't use it on the day I have therapy. I used to have therapy twice a week for 45 minutes. Now I've gone to a therapist that's more local, and I go for an hour and a half. And I will use it when I am at home and I'm not like golfing or something like that, or whatever. If I have an activity to do, I won't use it that day. I might use it that night. So I use it probably 4 times a week. I realize it's the thing I have to do to keep my leg in a good shape. The pumping action will help take that fluid out. It makes, therefore, my skin a little softer. I'm a very active person. I love to walk a couple miles 3-4 times a week. I bowl once a week in the senior league. I golf at least once a week. I try to get weekend golfing in. I enter golf tournaments through the state of Wisconsin. So I try to be active that way. I constantly do lawn work. I have a cottage up north. I am my father's daughter. I love to fish, ice fish, summer fish. I own my own boat. I own my own chainsaw. So the leg, I can still do my activities, but I can't do them as well. I am so happy to have a smaller leg. I can put my pants on. I am a hunter. I can't get my hunting clothes on because my leg is so big. Now it's getting smaller. I can do that. I couldn't lace up my boots. Now I can do that. So all those simple things, just putting a shoe on or putting a pair of pants on, is a benefit for me. The pump only adds to the quality of my life. Without it and everything else, therapy and surgery and all, I wouldn't be able to live my life as I wish to live my life.